Hello friends, today I'd like to guide how we can sign up for a PayPal uh, business. So let's open the link of PayPal. Then you need to click on sign up. Then there is two types. There are two types, personal and business. And definitely you can choose business because there is more limitations for personal accounts. So I'm going to choose business and get started. Yes, so first name can be MD Alif, last name can be Islam, email can be this one, password can be, and there should have a capital letter too. Then you can choose a phone number for verification. So simply you can type B to verify number, like we can use the number 01318 074845. After that, you need to click on agree and continue. Then we need to go to the verify some other thing, like business type, business details, the business contact, first name, last name, address, business address, and business product keywords or service, website, employee, or monthly sale, etc., etc. Then SSN, date of birth, um, and other information of your business. After that, you'll be redirected to your PayPal. Then you can add your card. Um, just click on link a card or bank. The card name should be same as the PayPal name, but address can be different. Uh, but before adding card, you need to add the address associated on your card. You can add multiple address on your PayPal. PayPal allows it. And another thing, you need to do transaction in that PayPal through friends and family, because if you transact more from as service mode, then your PayPal can be limited or can ask. Then you should do the verification using your NID, and you should also do a verification using your email and phone. And you also need to give some feedback after sign up, and that will be seen in your PayPal dashboard. So thank you guys.